All right. Rolling. Song. All right.
Wait, pause the song.
Action.
Action.
Yeah.
So, you know, we have all this great artwork here. There must be a few pieces in here that are special to you. I want you to pick out, and don't give me this all, they're all special to me.
Okay.
What I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and tell me about 2 or 3 pieces, if you can, that are special to you. You know.
Well, the Budger's pictures are very special to me because she's incarcerated, and the thing about the Budger pictures is that I haven't brag a little bit, and that's not me, but nobody else has these pictures. That was the last show before he was incarcerated, the very last show. I'm the only one that got image like that. And then the one show that he was released from being incarcerated, that's only. No, both of those shows, nobody else was there to capture. I honestly not there to capture. People were there, but they weren't there to capture. I love that I can do that. That's something that's special to me, and I'm proud of that. So those are special. But they're, I mean, really and truly, they're in a lucky tree. I mean, you've seen that.
Yes.
I'm very proud of that. I'm proud of that not because of I was able to frame and capture a nice picture, but the man in the tree is my brethren. You may never know somebody take the picture. When he saw the picture on NBC, is when he realized that the picture, and his brethren were reason with it. And when he sees it and I'm showing family, the surprise and joy him have. You know, things like that is what means something to me. Even though I was doing him thing, I was doing my thing, and then boom, it come out into this big thing. That's what means something to me. Things like this look right here beside it. This lady playing pool. This is pitch black. I mean, I don't if you know about pictures, I have no light. It's ambient light, straight from the little thing that's over. The whole entire place is black. This is Chelsea Hotel down there, and right there in New Kingston. This is stuff that we used to do. We used to go every weekend and go hang out and play pool at Chelsea. So just to be able to capture those things that relive my life, my youth, time in Jamaica, that's special to me. So,
well, listen, this was a great show. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to interview you, and we wish you the best in 2012, and we know there's going to be greater things coming. Thank you very much.
All right, awesome, great.
Yeah.